go.
Invincible.
This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday, Election Day. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for what could be a wild day. Markets overnight look choppy. Kind of what I expected. ES dipped to 57.35. High is 57.58. 23 points in range. NQ dipped to 0.41. Got up to 158. So it's split. 119 points of range. Kappa. Beautiful. Look at how respect that nice blue zone. About 140 ticks in range. Ultra Bond making new daily lows. It's about a point in range, a little less. Gold. It's like 21 points in range. Not bad. Not bad at all. Looks like we got about crude oil. Wow, totally off on that yellow line. Yeah, a little less than about 80 ticks. Natural gas heading up. Would be nice to catch that for the challenge we're doing. Bitcoin sitting around 68.8. So that's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. I was going to go back to the MyFundedFutures evaluation today. I think I'm going to stick with the competition account today. So, because we'll stick with an account that doesn't matter much, put it that way. Just in case. A lot of prop firms have restricted trading today, or at least on funded accounts. Evals, no one's restricted evals because they don't care if you blow them. Pulls down. Right now, it's kind of boring. So, do we have any other news today besides the fact that it's the election? Let's look. Canadian and U.S. trade balances coming up at 8:30. U.S. S&P services coming up at 9:45. U.S. ISM services coming up at 10. Everyone must be out voting. No one's here yet. Seems like it's trying to grind up. Not really going anywhere right now. Not at all. Pulls back, coming down some, little. Boring so far. Hanging here on the 20. I feel so alone. That purple candle would have worked there, but I didn't trust it. Still falling. So nice move down here. Purple candle was an indicator, but I didn't trust it because of it's kind of tangled. But you can see we've got a nice move down for maybe about 8 points so far. Morning, Robin. How are you? I was beginning to think I needed to put on deodorant or something. No one was showing up. William, if you mean the election, we might know sometime tonight, or we might not know for a few days. It's that close, and some states are slower at counting ballots than others. So I think I think in 2020 we didn't know if for like 4 days. So there's a good chance we won't know the result tonight, but there's a small chance we will. I'm doing good, Robin. Thank you. Blue candle. Try to decide where it wants to go from here. It's like must be low volume right now. I don't keep volume on my chart or compare it to like normal, but it just doesn't seem to want to move right now much. There we go. I took that long there, and I'm gonna take it off there. Small win. I should have took it off as soon as it hit that 9 EMA. I didn't get a chance to show you guys. Sorry about that. How's trading been lately, Robin? I miss seeing your P&L reports. I should have stayed in there. Continuing to rise up. Morning, Speed Racer. How are you? I don't think you realize how uh, um, motivating your posts are, Robin. You know me. Whatever you're comfortable with doing, I'm happy with. Morning, Crypticon. Morning, JC. How's it going? I'm doing good. Yep, I'm also excited that the political ads will stop for a couple months at least. Morning, Platt. Still rising up here just a tad. Yep. Political ads, and then this time of year, you get all those stupid Medicare supplement ads, commercials on TV. It's like, the Mighty Ox, and I approve this message. Blue candle here. Can it get above the whatever line that is? 200 EMA. Lines, the lines, everywhere there's lines. We're long. Let's see what it does. Let's put a stop in. I'm still trading the Phidias contest or competition account. I was going to switch back to the MyFundedFutures, then remembered it's election day. I don't know. I mean, right now it's trading, I would say price action is normal or even slow. So, but decided that we'll go back to a regular account tomorrow. A lot of props are restricting their funded traders from trading today, and a lot of brokerages have increased their margins. Morning, G-Man. That's a nice rise there. I don't know. We're a little overextended though. Thinking it's going to take that. Again, a small little scalpy win there. After yesterday, I think I'm happy with small little scalpy wins. We're up 355. Remember, I'm slinging 5 contracts on this Phidias competition account. Normally, I'll be slinging 1. Yeah, I'm not talking about NG. I'm talking about NQ. NG, totally different. Yeah, just 1 contract. I haven't taken any trades on NG. NQ, I'm trading. I'm sorry, Crypt. I understand where you got confused. Phidias has a 10K drawdown trading competition going on. That's the one I was talking about where I'm slinging 5 contracts, not the natural gas challenge thing we're doing on the Discord. Yeah, sorry about that. If anyone wants to get in on that, you can still enter that Phidias 10K drawdown competition. It's like $20 to enter. The absolute winner gets a actual live they say live. I don't know if it's live or live sim. Funded account with a 10K drawdown. Yeah. Hold on, let me bring it up for you since we're not really doing anything right now. That sounds right, D. Lorenzo, but I would have to look at it to make sure. I don't want to lead you astray, but I believe that sounds correct. Anyway, CryptoCon, here it is. This is the 10K drawdown. There's only one rule basically is don't hit the drawdown. You can even hold overnight, over weekends. And these are the prizes. First prize live, 10K drawdown account. Second and third, fourth and fifth is funded accounts. Swing accounts or regular accounts. And then from 6th through 10th, it's free evaluations. And the everybody besides that gets a discount to evaluations. Either 19 or $21 to enter. They gave me a free entry. Because they like me. They really like me. No, it's because I'm a good affiliate. So, NQ pretty much got back everything it lost earlier. We do have a little bit of news coming up here in about a minute. I was muted. I'm here talking into a muted mic. Nice rise up here. Did not take it because of the news trade, but that would have been great. Nice rise. So we got up to 164. How are we? Oh, that's pretty. We're close to the high of the day, or overnight, or whatever you want to call it. 171. Anyway, if anyone's interested in a Phidias challenge, I can put the link here. I see the pullback there on NG. Later on today, I hope to be setting up some giveaways for Take Profit Trader. I don't always get to everything I want to do in a day. I figure I'm not going to trade the rest of the day, so as long as I can focus, isn't always a guarantee either. I will make it so. So did you get out of that NG trade crypt, or you taking heat? It's like NQ wants the high day here. See if it gets it. Usually what NQ wants, NQ gets. Purple candle will close below the 9. It's teasing me of being just below the 9. If it did not close below the 9. Never, as a matter of fact, it wasn't even a purple. U.S. presidential election day, Saudi guy. Not like a holiday, but it's a day that could be dangerous to trade. Probably not really dangerous during the day, but if you're trading this evening, it could be dangerous. It's a highway to the danger zone. Come for the trading, stay for the singing. Morning, deep south. How are you? Good to hear that. NQ still trying to rise up to its overnight high. We are about 52 minutes from the bell, about 22 minutes from the top of the hour. We're 2 for 2 on trades this morning so far. Small gains. Yes, blew through 3,000 thanks to that Sage video I did the other day about Sage being fired at Fast Track, which is the most viewed video I've ever had. It's up to like 3,500 views. We gained like 80 subscribers, and the Discord's gained like 100 members. It's kind of amazing the growth, and it's not just from the Sage video, but the growth lately has been amazing. You know, it took us 1 year and 23 months to get 1,000 Discord members. In about 2.5 months since, we've gotten an additional 450. My channel also hit a milestone, yes, well, recently, I'm not sure, I didn't say exactly which day, of 50,000 hours of watch time. Means combined, people have spent 50,000 hours watching my content. That's mind blowing to me. Purple. Purple candle. Well, yeah, and that includes my non-live videos as well. But yeah, it's mind blowing. Bad fill. Took the short here, but bad fill. Um, and we are putting out more of the videos that aren't live. See if we drop here. It's hit the 20. Can it get through the 20? That's a negative, and it bounces on me. I gotta learn to just take those small gains there. Let's see if it comes back down. It's probably that's gonna bounce and wipe out the gains I've had so far today, I think. But yeah, we're putting out a lot more non-live videos. Um, Trying to do like 4 a week, maybe 5. That's not counting the snapshot each morning. We have one today coming out about the merit plans from Phoenix Trader Funding. Got a website being built now. I have a lot of good plans for the future for MightyOxTrading, including hopefully adding some more trading to MightyOxTrading. I mean, yes, I want to be known as the number one resource for people for futures prop firms, but I also want some of the trading stuff to be part of the whole thing too. Stopped out, and now we're down 85 on the day. Another purple candle. It's trying to entice me. Didn't finish below the 9, so I'm not taking it. So, of course, now it's going to drop 50 points. Well, 45 minutes into the stream, 3 trades. Unfortunately, we're down now. Anyone else taking any trades today? Bigger question. Anyone going to try and trade this evening? I took a gander at that 2020 election night. It's over here somewhere. Not there. Here. This was NQ on election day in 2020. And the day was pretty uneventful. You could see it chopped. Had a nice rise at the open. They kind of just chopped. But here's the big one in the evening. Now remember, we didn't get a winner declared last time on election night, but at 8 Eastern we started moving up. And that this move here for 269 up to 422, it's about 150 points or so. It pulled back, and then this move ended up being 450 points. And this was when NQ was still at 11,000, which is almost half of what it is now. So that was a significant move there. And then you can see it kind of faded from there, almost gave it all back. And then Europe came in and continued to raise it up into, and then it's kept rising the next day. So that's the other thing you need to be cognizant of. I mean, I don't know if it will get to see that kind of move, but I mean, you got to be cognizant of those limits, limit up, limit down, that could get you caught in the prop firms too. They usually limit it to within 2%, so like a five, no more than a 5% move up or down. Look at me using big words like cognizant. It's down to the band, bounces a bit. Gold rising up nicely. Look at that. Heading up. New high day. Ultra pods near its low day. It's like crude. Oh, sorry, copper, not crude. Pulling back. Natural gas at that big pullback. Down, bounces, doesn't want to continue down. That's the question we ask. Top of the hour coming up. Feels like it wants to drop here. Oh, quiet today. We need Ace to come in and liven everything up. I've heard some people say that only the insane trade natural gas. Got a blue candle here. It's struggling with the lines. And look at that. It just comes right back down. Rosin. ICNQ. Not really. Just kind of struggling here. Ex- So far, the price action has not been that wonderful. There's been a couple of moves, obviously, that I could have had. Yeah. Ooh, quick spike back down. Candle looks bigger than it is. Ooh, there, down to the 200. So down, tried to come back up, failed. Tried to come back up, failed. Oh, wow. Okay. That woke me up and got my attention. Nice quick burst down there. Might even be worthy of a whoosh. Wow. Did I miss something? I don't know. The red book news has never moved the market before, but that's what just came out. Still falling. It's got really near high of the, overnight high. Now it's pulling way back. 30-point pullback on this 5-minute candle. Wow, just free falling. Free falling. Bounce here possibly, maybe, or not. Want to rise up? Hey, USC, how are you doing? Good to hear. Yeah, it's been choppy so far. I decided to stay on the Phidias competition account instead of trading an account that matters. 25 minutes until the bell. And here it comes back down, continuing down after a little bit of a pause. Oh, wow. It's been raining here massively for the past 24 hours or so. Glad you got some. Hopefully it continues, without being overwhelming. Long off that blue candle there. 9 EMA's right there, though, so I don't know. Target is the 20 EMA. Let's see if it goes. There it's on the 9. Can it break through? There it goes, 122. I'm looking for 129. Can it get there? Or am I being greedy? Tighten up the stop, put it right below that wick of that last candle. Starting to feel like I'm being greedy. Stop is now in profit, and we just got hit. So I should have taken it instead of being greedy. It was still a green trade, but definitely not as much as it could have been. About 20 minutes to the bell. We should soon see Ace. No RJ, no John DeFore. The Canadians decided to get out of town for the election. Just kind of tempt me here with another candle. Like a candle in the wind. Oops, I'm sorry. I was showing my Discord again, wasn't I? You know what? We're going to go long. I got to stop that. I got to put in the quad tower to be a standalone window. Long on a feeling because those always work. It's hitting the 20 at 128. There's 129. There's 130. Out there. About 5 points. We're back in the green. Up 570. Back in the green, making profits again. Okay, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate if you would gore that like button for me. Still trying to rise. I don't trust that blue candle though. Looking overextended. Another alpha features just restricted trading on funded accounts. Rising up. Everybody's very, very quiet today. Everyone contemplating the election. Hey, Jay, good to see you. Up to the 200 EMA. Down, up, down. Tried up, failed, down. It's regained most of that big dip. Easy for me to say. Morning, Ace. Trash out. Yes, folks, we also do trash reminder services here at MightyOxTrading. Do you need a reminder service as well, USC? All right. Add that to the list. What, Ace, your polling place closes at 10 a.m.? That's okay. Hanging right on this 200 EMA. Let's not go there, Ace. Let's not go there. See, USC is my favorite now today. By the way, Ace, watch your mail. There's going to be something coming your way. Religion, Ace, religion, religion. But yeah, yeah, watch your mail, Ace. You're gonna have something coming your way in the next couple days, and no, it's not a bomb. Well, I'm gonna hope. If it's not, then it doesn't really matter what's coming your way. Uh, uh, well, I don't know about that, Ace. You notice that the Canadians, RJ and John, the four, both took off before the election. But oh, Ace, did your brokerage increase margins for today? I noticed a bunch were increasing margin for today. We're 5 minutes till the bell. 5 minutes. Bunch of props aren't letting their funded traders trade today. They're amping up the margins, huh? Sorry, couldn't resist. 5 minutes. I thought about doing a live stream tonight, but I figured too many people end up talking politics. So instead, I'll hide in my cocoon. Oh, uh, I thought you weren't going to be back yet, RJ. How are you doing? For some reason I thought you said Wednesday, but maybe I'm. Morning, Burl? Burl. Never know which way I'm going to pronounce it on any given day. How are you today? Oh, okay, RJ. So rising up into the bell. We don't hit our heads. It's trying to decide. Up it goes. 171's the overnight high. Sorry about that. Oh wow, 30 points. There's a new high day. Explodes up. 'You can check the CME, or I mean, I can always, if you're trading the indices, I can always tell you which one it is. Like right now, it's Z. Those are easy. Crude oil and those are hard to keep up with. Wow, look at this go. Broke 200. All this pent up energy just exploded. 207. There's 210. Down it comes. What was your entry, Ace? Thought about taking that red candle there, but didn't. That candle's completely outside the bands. Only well, it would have given me 10 though. Yep, that would have been good for 10, but not anymore. As it still heads up. Still rising. I see NQ of rising. I see profits on the way. Don't take a short tonight. 247 yesterday's high. It's about where that trigger point's sitting. Hey, Greg. Good to see you. No, David, I am not. Still rising. Look at this go. Pausing here around 2:30. We have news coming up. Yeah, U.S. S&P Services PMI final coming up in 6 minutes. Ace disappeared after going long. He might have had to go out for the bus. I don't know how his trade ended up. I'm not good enough for direct to fund it yet, David. I don't for the extra money spent. Still rising. Got a trigger point sitting there coming up. We'll see. We are getting really extended. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I'm up 1100 on that account today. Uh, Apex slightly green. Top steps. Um, let's see. Top step one up five. Green 544. Top step two red with only $120 of drawdown left. Top step number three red with about 440 of drawdown left. Top step number four green by 146 bucks. And top step number five red by 783 with about $1,200 of drawdown left. So two green, three red, one in big danger. Purple. Purple, purple, purple. Touches a 9 though, so I don't know if I want to try this purple. I'll try it. That's a big stop. One good day. Come on, drop. Give me that. Drop down to that 20 EMA. That'd be awesome. Put it there, but I'm probably gonna get out before that. Wait, nope. There we go. Back above the 9. 9 sitting at where? 216. Huh? This is where I move my stop to the top of that last candle and just let it run if it runs. There we go. Boom. 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 Target hit. Boom. That was a $2,000 trade. 2250 on that trade. 5 contracts in at 220, out at 198. Thanks, USC. Thing is, and this is the Phidias competition account, and I destroyed it yesterday. Uh, I went down 6,000 yesterday, so now I'm recovering yesterday. I put the target at the right spot too. It only went 4 more points and then bounced right back up. It's dropping this morning, 15 minutes after the stream ends, David. Your son ends up getting live funding on his first try. Uh, Hanging on the 9 EMA here. Looks like it wants to come down, but back down to the 20. Oh, again, remember, I'm slinging 5 contracts at a time on this Phidias competition account, but up $3,445 today. So what would that be on a normal day where I was slinging 1 contract? 3,445 divided by 5. That would still be almost a $700 day. That's pretty good. But that news was a nothing burger. We have more news coming up at the top of the hour. Oh, look at this pop. Sniffs that trigger point. Up to yeah, resistance line. Let's see if it breaks on through to the other side. I swear I changed that top banner. I know. I made the changes but never uploaded the new banner. Duh. $261's our new high. Look at that hourly candle up 128 points. We broke yesterday's high. Going back to Friday, that high was 288, and we're nearing that. Still rising. How's everybody else sitting? Anyone else taking any trades? Oh yeah, that doesn't look like a fun chart right now. Then Q just gonna run all day? Well, it's still going. News in less than 5. Wow. Boom. It's approaching 300 again. 166 point hourly candle here that closes in a couple minutes. We are now higher than we've been at any point since we had big drop on Halloween when the market got scared of the ghosts. Possible pullback here now. Click, click, boom. Took the short. Out. Added another 600 or so. Now at 41.50. I have a feeling, oh, what did I just do? I accidentally closed out the chart. I feel it's going to drop more, but okay. Load. Yeah, I got out too quickly there. Now I can't get a freaking hack. I can't get an NQ chart now. There we go. Why are you showing me calendar spreads? I don't want calendar spreads. I'm gonna shut down Quant Tower break. I hate this. I hate Quant Tower. Have a good day, Crypt. Wow. Glad I did get out of that trade as quick as I did. Up to 321. There we go. Now I got an NQ chart again. Yay. Oh yeah, that's right. That was news. Forgot we had news as I was fighting my chart. Up to 321 now, pulling back. That wake up the treasuries. Oh, wow. What the heck news was that? US ISM Services PMI actual 56. They expected 53.8. Really big beats on those ISM numbers. I don't know what those ISM numbers even mean, but I'll have to read up on that sometime. Pulls back. Purple candle. It's an interesting candle to me. I also don't know. It comes down to the 9. Yeah, I didn't take it. It's probably going to drop hard. Here it comes again. Needed to break the 9. She's real fine, my 409. And it is kinda trying. 9 is at 288. Pulls back from it. We got 15 seconds on it to prove itself. It looks like it's bouncing off of it. Nope, no trade there. Sitting on the 9. Wow, really hemming and hawing here on the 9 EMA, right under 300, about 295. There it's breaking the 9. Can it give us? Nope, back above the 9. Again, 9 is sitting at like 291. 30 seconds on the candle. We're actually lower than it now. Do I want to take it? That's a good question. Let's see how it finishes. We got 5 seconds. It's a smaller candle. I mean, short. It's a risk. I mean, everything's a risk. Nope, stopped right out. Well, we just gave back there. Gave back about $1,000 there. Bounced right off that resistance. It's now acting as support.
Oh, do we want to try again? There's no reason not to. It's a competition account that I don't really care about. It's not even a purple candle though, and it's into that same support. Oh, hard decision. Watch it drop. I didn't get in, but we'll see.
Looks like it wants to drop. Let's see. Yeah, Greg. That's okay. Oh, yep, that dropped there. I thought it was going to, but didn't take advantage. After the stream, I'm not even going to look at the charts, I don't think. Popping back up. Purple candle that's trying. Just sitting here now at 280. It's dropped about 40 points from the high. Hi. Hi. My name is. My name is. Oh, sorry. It's popping back up. Or maybe not. Does it want to drop or pop? Struggling to go lower here. Short. Ah, reverse that right as I hit the button. There we go. Ah, didn't hit it in time though. Bounced. Bounced off that band. I should have been wary of that. Yeah, mistake on my part there. Yeah, that's a stop out. Oh, not yet. But it's going to. Yeah, that was stupid of me. Hey, Sarah's Trades. How do you doing? Yeah, why no face cam? I put my face when I do non-live or for live. I'm here 3 hours. I'm inevitably gonna do something stupid like pick my nose. It's up and right back down. Another purple. Uh, Today, because of the election day, I'm trading the Phidias 10K competition account. I'm not trading any accounts that matter. Normally, I'm using a MyFundedFutures evaluation or funded account. I also have 5 topstep funded accounts and an Apex funded account. I haven't gotten a payout with them. Just I'm not a consistent trader yet, but I know a lot of people that have. They're my number one recommendation. Oh yeah, sometimes within minutes. Definitely gotten choppy here. About 40 minutes left to go in the stream. Market doesn't know what it wants to do. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. Trying to head back up. Trying to reclaim 300 at 299 on this candle. Oops, sorry, I was muted. Pulled back. About 20 points here. How's everyone doing? Are we red, green, or somewhere in between? In between? That's better than red. Yeah, been an up and down kind of day. Nice job, RJ. Oh, this move down here by NQ. Got to 311. We're all the way back down to 261. That's a 50-point drop. Rising up. Rising up. Trying to turn around here. Not rising up, but trying to turn around. Let's see if it does. So Ace left without ever telling us how his trade did. I don't know if he got 2 points, 20 points, or somewhere in between. That's it. Next Tuesday, I'm not reminding him about its garbage. I'll still remind you about yours. And we continue to push down now. Popping up with the blue candle. Not trusting it. See why I'm not trusting it? Popping up. I didn't take that blue candle. I should have, apparently. Right back up. Trying to rise up. Again, runs into that trigger point resistance. Choppy here again. Again, can't get through that resistance. Sitting here at this 286 level. And now it's probably broke, trying to head up, but getting no real momentum yet. About 20 minutes to go in the stream. Not a lot going on right now. Struggling here. Let's look at everything else. Gold. Look at that beautiful, hit that blue area and then whoosh. So we got up to, that was a new daily high there. 27.59 all the way down to 42. Ultraviolet never recovered from that news. Platt, did you get any of that? Copper also ran into that blue area and rejected. Natural gas. That was a good play right there. I think NG I should have got. Oh wow, crude ran. Excellent. Good luck. Bitcoin. No, Bitcoin hit 70K again. Pulled back since. There, now it broke above finally. Trying to reclaim 300. I know. It feels like this last hour is dragging. I don't know why. Up we go. Reclaims 300. Can it hold? Doesn't want a new high day, which is at 321. What'd you end up doing, USC? Did you take any trades, or are you just sitting on your hands? Purple candle, but sniffs the 9 and doesn't seem to want to get close to it. Yep, it's a 9 sniffer. Pulls back. So now the question's going to be, will we know a winner tonight? Probably not. And if not, what will the market do the rest of the week until we have a winner? Look at, again, this is year 2000. Now, there was also COVID, so, can't say it was all presidential. This is the week. This was the Wednesday after. See, the market kept going up. I think the winner was declared on Friday or Saturday. The market just kept going up and up and up. This is Thursday, and then this is Friday, and we had the pullback, and then rising up. So, but no, it's gonna be interesting to see. Thank you, RJ. I can barely remember yesterday, so I appreciate that. As that, so yeah, it's actually kind of surprising to go back to that chart. This was Friday. Not much of a gap up there on the Sunday open. We had 094. I guess I mean about a 40-point gap up, and then okay, then we had a 77-point candle. Okay, yep, that makes sense. Big move up. It opened at 139, and by 12 o'clock, it was up to 400. And then at the open, no, even before the open, big pullback and finished the day red. Yeah, a lot of the prop firms have stopped funded traders from trading, And I know the brokerages have increased margins. Ooh, that was a big, quick purple that while I was distracted. How rude. Another nice trade, but I was blabbing about 4 years ago. Yep, that was a nice move down. That was a miss on my part. I have to bounce here off the band. Bands don't like when you bounce off of them, their tubas go flying. Down to 266. About 5 minutes left to go. Still falling back down. Broke broke through this pullback and this pullback. Still going. Wow. So again, it got up to 306, so there's a slightly lower high from over here, which was a slightly lower high from over here. And it's dropped over 50 points in less than 10 minutes. Part of my pop here looks like it's not ready yet. Trying it long. Last trade of the day. Looking for where the 9 EMA is sitting. Got it close. Got the 262. My target was 264. Now it's pulling back. There it goes. There's 262 again. It's fighting at 260. Oh, pulls back to 257. Oh, nope, back to my entry. 262 is as high as it got. Bouncing up again. Back up to 255. I'm in at 253. Oh, dips. Think I'm going to get stopped here, but I'm going to try and get a break even. Maybe not. Come on. Back to 257. That should have taken that as a gift. Now it's going to stop me out. Now again, it did not stop me out. We're out. Taking that as a gift. It's about a 1-point win. And we've reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everybody for joining me on this election day. We'll be back tomorrow, once the world doesn't end, for another great 3 hours of trading action. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. See you tomorrow.